it's your girl Devonna Nicole. Thank you guys for joining me today. So guys, I have my December IPSY by Boxycharm box for the month of December 2023. We're going to get right into this baby and see what I got sent for the month of December. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by my channel. I do post weekly and I do like to unbox different subscription unboxes, and I love showing you guys what I'm picking up. So without any further delay, let's get into this thing. So this is our box. This box seems very light and empty, by the way. So here is our Boxycharm little newspaper that they include, and some information about sales. It says you're the main attraction. Dun, dun, dun. And then it's information about the products that's in our box, and they do have a few prices on here. And then some sales stuff and some other membership stuff on the back. So that's what's in here. So let's go ahead and get into this thing. So the first item that I'm pulling out, I did get a Lucky Chicks lip scrub. So let me show you what this looks like outside of the box here. So this is the lip scrub, and I've received this before in the past, and I like the lip scrubs for this, especially for the winter time. They're like one of my go-tos in the winter, because the heat and everything kind of dries your skin out. So this is the first item in our box here. So guys, this product here, a little information. It says, say goodbye to chapped lips. Hello to lip perfection. This lip scrub is like a spa day for your pout. This product, guys, is valued at $18 for the lip scrub. So that's the first item out of our box. Let's go ahead and move on to the next one. So guys, the next item in my box, I have a Dermalect product here. This is the Flawless Boxycharm oil treatment. So this one here is valued at $59. Wow. Okay. I haven't used this before. I've used this brand. I like Dermalect, but I haven't used this. So this is new for me. So let me see what this. What is this? It says, want the benefits of retinol without all the drama, aka irritation. This treatment is like a dream come true for sensitive skin. Okay. It's packed with Boxycharm oil, which helps to increase cell turnover and boost collagen productions. So that is pretty cool. I do like retinol, but I don't really have a problem with retinol because I've been using it for a while, and I do use the overnight retinol by Dermalect. So I'm used to it, but I like trying different products. So this is a win for me. I can't wait to use this one and see how it works. So let's go ahead and go to the next one. So the next product I have a Ahava product here, and this is the Overnight Skin De-Stressing Cream. So guys, this product here, this also has a value of $59. I mean, these are some small tubes in the 50s, aren't they? I have not tried this product before from Ahava. I'm familiar with the brand and have used some things from Ahava, but I haven't used this particular product. Let's see what this one does. It says, long day. This relaxing cream is dedicated to detoxifying and distressing you while you sleep. Oh, so it's like a sleeping facial. It's formulated, it says, with a Osameter signature blend of Dead Sea minerals. Okay. It says not only does this help to calm your skin, but it also helps to restore the natural barrier and hydrate for a more luminous and resilient looking skin in the morning. Oh, that sounds pretty cool. So you just use this every night is what it says, but it sounds like it's like an overnight facial or something. All right, so I can't wait to try this, but this again was valued at $59. Little pricey. Let's see what else we have in here. Oh, we have the El Maquillage palette. Now, I do love El Maquillage. They're one of my favorite brands, and I love their palettes. So let's see what this one is here. This is the Color Ball Squad, and this is the Game Changer palette, looks like is what the name of this one. I love how it comes like this, but of course, I already got fingerprints and everything on it from just touching it, right? So guys, this one here is valued at $48, but I love how thick and heavy this feels. It feels nice and weighty. It does have a mirror. I'm just going to fold it down. These are our colors here for the palette. This product is valued at, again, at $48, and it says this eyeshadow palette is the ultimate quad to help you create the most perfect smoky eye, including a versatile matte brown and 3 glistening glimmer golden shimmers. It glides on like a dream, and it blends like a boss, and it stays put. Ultimate game changer, so you can create your own look. So I like that. So they're saying you could use it either with a damp brush or a dry brush and put this on. I like the color. So this is, again, the Color Boss Squad eyeshadow palette, and Game Changer is the colors. So this one is a bit on the boring side, not much pop, but yeah, if you're looking for a smoky eye, yeah, I definitely can see that in this palette. But the colors that we have are not like the ones that are like boom. It's more like a you know, it's a, you could create the drama, but it's no real pop colors in here for me. That's the only drawback with this palette, but I can still use it. You know, when you're doing your basic look, you can kind of work with this. So it's still good. It's still good. So let's go into our last item in the box. So guys, the next item I have is I have a Persona product, and we have some, are these lip liners? These are eyeliners, my bad. So we have the Persona eyeliners. These are 24-hour waterproof liners. That's dope. So we get 2 colors. We get a brown and a plum. And I guess this is the plum here, and this is the brown, and their eyeliner duo. This has a value of $32 for the 2. And I'm gonna do a quick swatch because I like a good eyeliner. So this one is, ooh, that looks almost black. Wow, this is the brown. That looks almost black. Look at that. And then this is the plum. Let's take a look at that one. Oh, I like the plum. That's a nice color right there too. And again, this is valued at $32. We have received Persona products in the past, and I do like the way they glide on. I think they glide on really nice. So we got 2 eyeliners here. And it says this eyeliner duo is sure to become your partner in crime. Lasts 24/7. Creamy, waterproof, and ready to rock all day and all night. So you can use this on your lash line, waterline. It's not going to go anywhere else. It's going to glide on like a dream. And I do have to say it was nice and creamy. It did glide right on. So that's neat. So this dark brown looks black. Wow, that looks black. That does not look like dark brown. That looks black. Definitely can use both of these. So overall, we have 5 products this month in the box. We have the Persona eyeliners, 24 hours. We have the El Maquillage Color Boss eyeshadow quad. We have the Lucky Chick lip scrub. And we have the Derma Select Bokuchi oil treatment. And we have the Ahava Overnight Distressing Skin Cream. So this wasn't like anything that wowed me, guys. But I mean, it was a decent box. I got stuff I can use definitely. But nothing kind of popped, you know. It was an okay box. Nothing blew me away. I don't know how your guys' box turned out. If you get this, let me know. Did you like your box? Did you get anything better than me, or you got about the same? But yeah, nothing blew me away for the end of the year. It was just kind of, it's okay. It's okay. Alright, so guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please go ahead and hit me up in the comments below. Let me know what you thought about today's video and the products I received in this month's box. And guys, if you picked this up, please let me know if you got something better than me. My box was just okay, but I would love to know what some of you guys are picking up in your boxes. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so. I do post weekly. I would love to have you as a part of my channel over here. And share with you what I'm getting in my subscription boxes. But guys, until my next video, I will catch you on the next one. Bye!